So this is the design we're going to create today. You can do this design on a tissue box, coasters, purses, anything that you want. This is just going to teach you how to get this really cute look. So we have a coaster. It's 25 by 25. So that's what you need, 25 by 25. And then here you go. Here's the white, and then there's the pink. And it's a pretty simple design. And you're going to start off with 3. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. Then the next one's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to go back down 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. And you're going to continue it all the way to the end. And then you don't fill in the middle piece. You're going to count 5 this direction. And then you're going to start this row. So that's how we're going to complete this design today. So let's move the scissors over. So what you're going to do is you can either start fresh or you can go underneath your design that you've already started. So we'll just do like that. Go under the design we've already started. Secure our string for wear and tear. And also a tip for those of you who actually use your coasters, when you're drinking your drink, use the ugly side. After you've Scotch guard both sides and they've dried in the sun, when you go to drink your drink, use the ugly side. Because if you knock it over and it stains it with the Scotch guard, you'll be able to just wash it with a little soap and water. So make sure, don't use the pretty side. I know the pretty side's cute to look at. You can use the pretty side, but use the ugly side if you want, because you don't want the pretty side to get too messed up. But it's your option, and you can see it through the water. It looks really cute. All right, so okay. So, like I said, we're going to count. And the first one's going to be 3, 4, and then 5. Now, on a tissue box, you can start out with 4, 5, and 6. You know, you can make it bigger. These can be any size that you want. You don't have to use the size I used. So, we're going to start out with a 3. So, remember, in plastic canvas, you use the same box that your last stitch was in most times. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you don't want to count each time, then you know that you're going to step down to this next one. So you know that this one is your last one. So you're going to just step down 1. And you know that this one, step down. Okay, that was the small one, so you know that you're going to step up. And then you're going to go all the way to the end. Now that you've completed this row, you think, well, how am I going to get this side if I don't do this first? Well, always remember that your tallest point is where you're going to count. So this is your tallest point. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. which means you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this was not here, you would know that this is your row. So when you're here and you've got to start this design, you'll know you have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you'll do is, now that you know that you have to go 5 from the tallest point, not the lowest, but the tallest point, you know you're going to come here. And then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, and you're going to go down. And then 1, you're going to go downhill. And then you're going to finish out this row. Going to go up 1. And then you're going to finish it all the way down. And see how it's starting to come up with the shape? See the shaping? Alright, let's finish this row out. So now we're going to move on to filling it in the white. This is 25 by 25, and you can see the design. So, I'm going to go under here. I'm going to pull it through. I'm going to lock it in. Alright, now that we got it locked in, you're going to start here. And then you're going to go into this one. And you're just going to fill in the design. You can do different colors. So if you have more than one family member at your home and everybody has a favorite color, you can make this design with their favorite color. So if that coaster is still on the table, you know who left their drink out. Or if you have people that come over a lot, you can make the families one color and then have different color for company. So somebody could be blue and another company can be green. And that way when they say, well, where's my drink? Well, what color are you? Green? Okay, well, there's your drink. So they'll know what coaster matches them. You can even buy cups that are different colors. But you can even match the coasters that you create. So they can have a matching cup and coaster if you wanted to. And then the border, you can either do it pink or you can do it white. And with Scotchgard, you can do white as much as you want, because once you spray a good clear coating of the Scotchgard on there and let it dry in the sun, and then you do the other side, it pretty much seals the white and keeps it clean. And then after a couple washes, you know, you may want to spray another coat, but normally it keeps it clean for a long time. And now that you have completed that, you go underneath, you pull it through, you snip it off, and voila, now you have your design. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, ideas, or tips, please leave those in the comment section. If you can think of anything else that you would like to see me do, please comment that also. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you would like, you can join my join button, and we will do a lot more things through there. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.